Hi, my name is Siddharth. I recently got my BMW F850 GS ceramic coated through Pro Detail. Um, that place is run by Samir, and I got to know of him through one of the contacts in my BMW riding group. Uh, so my experience with Pro Detail has been excellent. There are few reasons for that, which I will tell now. So basically, the rate that Samir charged for the complete bike's ceramic coating, and when I say the complete bike ceramic coating, it means the polishing that was initially done to remove all the swirl marks from the bike, plus the ceramic coating of all painted parts, the windshield, the wheel, and the frame itself. So all of this included, it was I think the cheapest coat that I received within Pune city. So that was one major draw for me to go to Pro Detail for my ceramic coating. The second reason um, why I would suggest other people also to visit Pro Detail is Samir is very transparent in his work. He tells you upfront what the processes are going to be on the bike that are going to be performed, starting from the masking parts, right? What parts he's going to mask and what parts will be polished. All of that is told well in advance to the customer, and there is nothing to hide. In my case, a new bottle of ceramic coat was opened right in front of me and was used for my bike. So that way it is very transparent. We know what is going to be done on the bike, right? So that even if we have to leave the vehicle there and go out and come back after some time, because this process takes a few hours, right? You can be rest assured that whatever was told by Samir is what will be done on the bike. And of course, utmost care is taken care by him and his crew, that no scratches or anything is there. Rather, all the scratches are removed. So I would definitely recommend Samir and Pro Detail for anyone who is looking for a ceramic coat. So it's been about 2 months since my vehicle has been ceramic coated, and the cleaning portion of it has been very very easy. So I just have to take a cloth and just rub away all uh, the dirt basically. Um, and the best part is the wheels are also coated now, so I don't see any muck sticking to that as well when I just do a clean, you know. So that way it's been a very great experience. One additional thing that I want to say is I actually contacted Samir about 10 days back, saying that I've replaced my windshield, and there are some scratches because I did not have that ceramic coated. The windshield that I took on my bike during the time of ceramic coating was different. So Samir actually is grateful enough to, he said, just that bring the bike in, we'll do it for free. So that's the kind of customer service that Samir offers. So I would not go anywhere else for any of my new vehicles in the future in case I purchase that. And I would strongly recommend their place, because at the rate that they are also giving one free touch up, one annual touch up. There are other packages wherein you get 2, 3, etc. I chose one. So that is a very very good deal actually, that's been given by Sam and Pro Detail. So again, repeating the same statement again, anyone who wants a ceramic coating, please visit Samir. It is a very very trustworthy place, very transparent place, and the quality of work that was done was excellent. I have no complaints. I am very very happy. Thank you.
We are to showcase the final finish of the BMW GS 850 that we have done today. You can see the gloss and the reflection on the red panels and the deep sheen on the black panels. This has been achieved with a very painstaking long 8-step process of ceramic coating. This will ensure that the bike will be safe from all kind of elements, that is tar marks, then we have got tree marks or tree sap, or we can even call tree droppings, bird droppings, which is a very important part of it. And of course the cleaning will become extremely easy for the customer, as nothing will stick to the surface. The surface has become totally hydrophobic.